Good morning, children. This is our English grammar class. Children, I am very glad that you are following your classes very well. Today we are going to complete the remaining part of chapter 6. Chapter 6, adjectives. Okay, children. So this is page number 38. Page number 38. Open your book. Choose the right adjectives to describe each picture. Write it in the first line. Write its opposite in the second line. Okay, children. So first you have to look at the pictures. Then you have to write an adjective from this box. Yellow colored box, children, here. So and then you have to write the opposite of that adjective. Okay. So first picture is of a room and the room is dirty. Okay, dirty. And here dirty of opposite clean is being written. Okay, children. Now तो बच्चों देखो यहाँ पे पहले आप लोगों को ये पिक्चर आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि ये पिक्चर कौन सी चीज़ का है. देन आपको उस पिक्चर से रिलेटेड एक एडजेक्टिव इस बॉक्स में से यहाँ पे लिखना है. देन उसके ऑपोजिट वर्ड यहाँ पे लिखना है. जैसे कि देखो ये वाला पिक्चर क्या है, आप लोगों को क्या लग रहा है, ये देख के आप लोग इसमें से कौन सा वर्ड चूज़ कर सकते हैं. देखो, ओल्ड, बिग, शॉर्ट, यंग, स्मॉल, हैप्पी, लॉन्ग, कोल्ड, हॉट, डर्टी, सैड, क्लीन. तो देखो ये यहाँ से स्मोक निकल रहा है, तो ये क्या है, हॉट. तो यहाँ पे आप लोगों को लिखना पड़ेगा हॉट एंड देन ऑपोजिट ऑफ हॉट दैट इज कोल्ड, यहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा कोल्ड. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट पिक्चर नंबर 3. Children, this is the picture of an elephant. So what adjective can you choose for this picture from the box? Children, it's big. Okay, big. So here you have to write big and then opposite of big, that is small here. Okay, small. Now picture number 4. This is the picture of rope, and what adjective can you choose from the box for this given picture? Old, big, short, young, small, happy, long. Okay, long. This rope is very long, so long. And the opposite of long, that is also given in the box, short. Short. Okay, children. Next picture. Picture number 5. This is the picture of an old man. Okay, old man. So you can write here old and opposite of old, that is young. Okay, children. Now picture number 5. Identify the picture. You can write the adjective happy for the given picture, happy. And the opposite of happy, sad. तो बच्चों देखो यहाँ पे जो पिक्चर्स दिया है और बॉक्स में कुछ एडजेक्टिव्स और उसके ऑपोजिट्स भी दिए हैं. ठीक है, तो इस पिक्चर को देख के आपको पहले उस पिक्चर से रिलेटेड कौन सा एडजेक्टिव आप लिख सकते हो वो लिखोगे, फिर उसके ऑपोजिट भी बॉक्स में दिया है, फिर उसके ऑपोजिट भी उसके नीचे लिखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। इन दिस वे कंप्लीट दिस पेज in your book. Okay, next page. Circle the adjectives in the paragraph given below. Children, here is a paragraph. Now we are going to read this and we are going to circle the adjectives. Okay, so in the vacations we went to Shimla. We drove a new black car. So how is the car? New black. Okay children, these are adjectives. The road was smooth. How was the road? The road was smooth. We stayed in a big house. Big house with a beautiful garden. How was the garden? Beautiful garden. There were green trees. Green. Okay. In the backyard, the trees were full of red apples. Red apples. And juicy pears. Juicy. I made new friends. We played hide and seek in the evening. We used to hide behind the thick bushes. Thick. We also went for short walks in the mornings. The air was fresh and clean. I enjoyed myself. It was a wonderful vacation. ओके चिल्ड्रन, तो बच्चों देखो यहाँ पे ये पैराग्राफ में पढ़ना है और एडजेक्टिव्स को सर्किल करना है, ठीक है। तो ये पैराग्राफ आप लोग पढ़ो और एडजेक्टिव्स को सर्किल करो, ठीक है। जो जो एडजेक्टिव्स इसमें है उसको सर्किल करना है। नेक्स्ट पेज। सो चिल्ड्रन, chapter 6 completed. Now chapter 7. Okay, today we are going to start chapter 7. Next we will complete this chapter. So this is the chapter about verbs. Now what are the verbs? Children, look at this. I jump, I sing, I read. Jump, sing, read. These are the works. Okay, so children, the word that define some work is called verb or the doing words. Okay, or the doing words. The verb. The word that you have underlined above are called doing words. They tell us what someone or something does. They are also called verbs. जिस वर्ड से कोई भी काम समझाया जाएगा, काम करना समझाया जाएगा, उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? डूइंग वर्ड्स या फिर verbs. ओके, डूइंग वर्ड्स या फिर verbs. जैसे कि हम लोग देखे थे आई जंप, रीड, सिंग, ये सब कुछ ना कुछ काम है। सो इसका नाम क्या है? डूइंग वर्ड्स या फिर verbs. नाउ रीड दिस सेंटेंसेस. संजय रीड्स अ बुक. रीड्स. सो read, this is verb. Okay. Muli plays. Shabnam writes. I eat. The birds rest. So these all are verbs. These all are doing words or verbs. क्योंकि ये वर्ड में से क्या कुछ काम समझाया जा रहा है, कुछ काम करना समझाया जा रहा है, तो ये वर्ड्स को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? डूइंग वर्ड्स या फिर verbs. So children, next day we will read other pages of this chapter, okay, and we will understand verbs more clearly in our next class. So complete chapter 6 and read chapter 7. Thank you.